Hello friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a balloon duck in the technique of plastic. I'm pre-inflating an 18-inch bobo balloon. Then I put an 18-inch pink balloon inside. Take the air out of both balloons and inflate the two balloons together. First, I tie a pink balloon, and then I stretch the tail of the bobo balloon, make a knot. Prepare a 5-inch balloon with a small amount of water inside. Inflate a white 12-inch balloon with 14 pumps. Make a knot at the very base of the balloon and tie a balloon with water to it, then make an apple twist. This is a very stable basis for composition. I'm inflating 2 red modeling balloons, sized to 160. At the end of each balloon, I make 23 pinch twists. On one of the balloons, I make a bubble the size of 10 fingers and screw a second pinch twist to it. I make the same bubble from the second balloon and twist it on the first pinch twists. Now, on both balloons, I make one bubble the size of 1 finger each. I make a 9-finger bubble and twist it with a balloon. I was making a similar 9-finger bubble from a second balloon and twisting both long bubbles together. Similarly, I make one more row. Now I make 2 pinch twists on each side and T-cut off the excess. Now I'm fixing all 3 elements together. Using the example of a transparent balloon, I'll show you how to make the rest of the elements. I pre-inflate 12-inch balloons, then put a modeling balloon inside, sized to 160. I inflate a 12-inch balloon, then inflate a modeling balloon with 4 pumps and form a duckling foot. There are 2 such elements to be made. Now in a 12-inch balloon, I put a balloon for modeling, sized to 160. I inflate a transparent balloon and then inflate a modeling balloon with 5 pumps and shape the top of the duckling's beak. I shape the lower part of the duckling's beak in a similar way to the upper one, but I inflate a balloon for modeling with two pumps. I made a beautiful big bow for the duckling using the plastic technique. I have posted a link to the tutorial on how to make a similar bow in the description below this video. I make a knot on all the elements, cut off the excess part and glue all the parts with double-sided adhesive tape. I made the eyes combined. I cut out several parts using a plotter. I make duck pens out of a white balloon for modeling, size 160. I make 2 pinch twists the size of 1 finger, each to loops the size of 3 and 4 fingers, and 1 bubble the size of 9 fingers. There should be 2 such elements. I fix both elements to the shape. Now I'm going to make a small forelock for the duck. From a white modeling balloon size 160, I make a bubble the size of 8 fingers and a loop the size of 4 fingers. I insert the bubble into the loop, and this will be the forelock. Now I'm going to make a tail for the duck. I inflate a white sculpting balloon size 160 and make 2 loops the size of 5 fingers and the size of 8 fingers. I insert 1 loop into the other. This will be the ta. I improvised a bit, cut off the tips of the yellow balloons and glued them to the duck's nose. I drew the duck's cheeks with a marker. Now I have made 2 flowers from a blue balloon for modeling size 160. Each flower consists of 5 and 4 loops, respectively. The size of each loop is 6 fingers. Now I connect both flowers and fix this element between the duckling's head and body. The duckling figure is ready. Thank you for watching us.